In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background image on Wix. If a section of your site has a photo baked into the background and you want a clean, distraction-free look, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll focus on the built-in controls, so you don't need any extra tools. First, in the Wix editor, click to select the section that currently has the background image. This might be called a section or a strip, depending on your editor version, but it behaves the same way. Make sure you're selecting the full section and not an element inside it like a text box or a button. A good check is that you see the section's bounding outline and a label that indicates you've got the whole section selected. If you accidentally select an inner element, just click on an empty area within that section until the section itself is highlighted. With the section selected, look to the pane on the right side of the editor and open the inspector. This panel holds the settings for whatever you've selected on the canvas. You should see options organized by categories. Find the area labeled Design, which controls the visual styling for the selected section. Inside Design, go to Background. This is where Wix shows the current background settings for that section, including any image, video, or color that's applied. You'll see a thumbnail of the background image if one is set, along with a small trash or delete icon next to it. Click the trash icon on the background image. The moment you do, Wix removes that image from the section's background. The section will instantly switch to its default background, typically a solid color or whatever base styling your site theme uses. That's all there is to it. Nothing else changes on your page, and your content inside the section remains exactly where it was. If you don't see the trash icon, double-check that you're in the background area for the section and not for an inner element. Also confirm that an image is actually applied. The delete option only appears when there's something to remove. If you ever remove an image by mistake, you can step back with the editor's undo control. To recap, select the section with the background image, open the inspector on the right, go to Design, open Background, and hit the trash icon next to the image. Your section is now clean and ready for a fresh look or a simple, readable layout. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tidying up your Wix backgrounds.